Hi there, students. To suss. To suss out. Yeah, the out is optional, but very often it's used with suss out. Okay, to suss means to realize, to understand, to discover something. So, you've probably sussed that this video is about the word suss. You've realized, you've understood. To suss out. Let me suss out how my family feel about coming to stay with you for 2 weeks in the summer. Okay, so you could suss somebody out to understand what they want, what they do, what they are like. So I've sussed this guy out. He's rather dishonest and is always telling lies. So I've sussed him out. I know what he does. So to suss, to understand, to realize, to discover. Do you think you could suss out how much the tickets are for this? Or could you suss out if there are any tickets available? Could you find out, to suss out, to find out, to investigate and discover? Yeah, to realize or grasp. Yeah. Understanding the way of doing this was quite difficult to suss out. Yeah. So if you get an iPhone and you've never had one before, it takes a while to suss out what to do with only one button. Yeah, so yeah, to realize, to get the idea of it. Yeah, but finally I sussed it. Yeah, I sussed how to do it. And then, okay, to suss out, to find out. Notice as well, you can use this word suss as an abbreviation of suspicious. So this is a very sus guy. Yeah, he's a bit suspicious. But notice, you could also, that would also mean that he's very intelligent. He has a lot of awareness. So he's very sus. Does it mean suspicious or smart? Both. Yeah, so sus as an adjective: shrewd, wary, intelligent. He's far too sus to fall for a trick like that. There's this sus bloke standing on the corner. You're going to have to think about it from the context, but I think the most important one for you to understand, to suss out a situation, to work out what the real what is really going on, to suss somebody out, to work out their real nature, their real character. Yeah, as a man, I'm beginning to learn that I'm never going to suss women out. Yeah, as I think women have already got men sussed out. Okay, so, but you don't have to use the out. Okay, so to suss out, to discover. Now notice, firstly, this phrase is very British. I'm not sure the Americans use this a lot. Now, I also have heard this word sus used quite often. My kids used to use it all the time as an exclamation, to say that was lame or you deserved it. So I don't know, I see somebody I dislike slip on a banana and fall on the ground. Sus. Ha 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 ha. You deserved it. You got your just desserts. So notice this use of sus is very informal and very British. Yeah. The teacher caught teacher's pet cheating in the exam. Sus. Yeah, okay, he deserves it. Yeah, he deserves the punishment. That's so funny. It's ironically funny. Okay, but that's really rather unusual. You used to have sus laws as well in English with one S. This allowed the police to arrest people because they suspected that they were going to do something. They were loitering in a public place with criminal intent. Yeah, normally this is one S, but it could be two S's as well. Okay, so to suss out, to get to understand a person, to manage to work something out. Yeah, I've sussed him out. He does everything he can to get free drinks and never buy anybody around. Yeah, have you sussed out how to do that puzzle yet? Have you managed to work it out? Have you managed to determine how to do it? Yeah, so I think to suspect out would be the idea of the origin of it. Yeah, to work out, to calculate. Formality. So to suss out, this is informal, a 3 informality. Use it informally. I don't think I would even use it in a semi-formal conversation. Use it with your friends down the pub. And then this exclamation, ha ha ha, sus. 2.5 or even 2 informality. Yeah, very, very low formality. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Suss out.